Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to go ahead and introduce our newest products on my right hand, the cocktail sinks. Now we can see the measurements first. The unit is about like a 1 feet wide, like a 12 inches. And the overall height is about like a 33 inches tall. And depth of the units, they are about like a 29 inches deep. And we can see the units, they come in with the faucets, coming with the hot waters, cold waters, controllers on it. Also have a small drink bar at the front, and this one is a removable. Now we can take closer to see the bowl sizes. For measuring, this one will be about like a 9 inches wide and 15 inches long and 5 inches deep. And also the accessory from the manufacturer, they come in with the filters. Have the NSF sanitation stickers on it. This one also having a front covers right here. If you need, you can cut it too to connect with any pipes you need. Thank you for watching this video. It's all information about our products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.